to Natya Sastra. Today I'm going to share with you all how to do one of the famous slokams in Bharatanatyam. Kunita Purvamum Kavvai Shevvayil. This is really famous, sung by Tirunavukarasar, describing about Lord Shiva as Nataraja of Chidambaram. Shall we see how to do that now? Kunita Purvamum is describing about Lord Shiva's eyebrows. So, to do that, leave your little finger out on your right hand like this and point it on your right side eyebrow. While doing this, lift your eyebrows up like an arch shape. Now leave your left hand out like this. This is called freestyle. Okay, this is Kunita Purvamum. This is not straight. This should go like an arch shape. To do that, I'm going to bend my body in the side like this. Kunita Purvamum. And I'm going to sit as much as I can in this half sitting position. So from standing, I should go to half position like this. So go to half sitting position, bend your body and point it on your eyebrow and do Kunita Purvamum. Next one, Kavvai Shevvayil. Is describing about Lord Shiva's beautiful red color lips. So to do this, I'm going to bend my last two fingers down like this and keep other fingers together in a round shape like this. My left hand. Okay, this will denote like showing Lord Shiva's beauty. In my right hand, I'm going to close all the fingers and open my thumb out like this, like showing a victory. And point it out on my lips from left to right. So this is Kavvai Shevvayil. To add some beauty, I'm going to rotate my right leg from front to side like this using my hip. From front to side. So it will come like Kavvai Shevvayil. Number 1. Kunita Purvamum. Your eyebrows should be raised up and I'm sitting in half position. Number 2. Kavvai Shevvayil. Next one, Kumer Sirippum. This is describing about Lord Shiva's smile. For that I'm going to show, like a blossomed flower. To do that, keep all the fingers closed like this together in my right hand and open it out, all the fingers separated like this, like showing a flower, and repeat the same in the left side. Keep all the fingers inside and open it out like this. Now in the middle, close both the fingers together, right in the front, left behind, and open it out together like showing a blossomed flower. Right, left, and together. And I'm going to point out my lips. Okay? The hand is like showing superb. The hand gesture, like how do you say, wow, this is really superb. Or if you're showing number 3. So it's like this. Bend your forefinger and thumb together and leave other 3 fingers out like this and point it out on the lips and smile. Because we are describing about a smile, right? So do it like this. from left to right and smile. And leave your left hand free like this. Again, it's called freestyle. And in my legs, I'm just crossing it out. My right leg is behind my left leg and placing it on the toe. And I'm pointing it on the lips and smiling. So it's Kumar Siripum. So number 1, Kunitha Puruvamum. Number 2, Kavvai Shavvayil. Number 3, Kumar Siripum. Next one, Panitha Shadayum. Okay, this is describing about his wet and thick locks of hair. So from my head, I'm going to open all my fingers out like this, all separated out. Okay, and I'm going to shake little bit and move it out in the sides. So his hair is not like mine or any other, right? It's like very thick. So it should be showing like very grand and vibrant way of choreography. So I'm going to use the same body pose as number 1, Kunitha Puruvamum, sitting in half position like this, and show from head to out Panitha Shadayum. Pavarampol Meni. His fair body shining like a jewel is the description. So for this, I'm going to use both my hands now. Keep your first 3 fingers together. Close your thumbs inside and leave your little fingers out like this. And show so beautiful, and show from top to bottom, pointing it out like this. Show like Lord Shiva's beautiful body. And I'm going to keep my legs like this. My right leg in the front, left leg behind. Place the left leg on the toe. So it is like Pavarampol Meniyil. Palvenirum. This describes about Lord Shiva's body covered with milky white sacred ashes. So for this I'm going to use both my hands like applying the ash. Just imagine the ashes in your hand and apply it like this. Again I'm going to use the previous hand gesture in my right hand. Like keep your first 3 fingers together like this and bend your thumb and leave your little finger out like this. Your other hand should be in freestyle like this, and start from applying on your forehead like this from your left to right. Now to your left side shoulder, elbow and on your wrist. Now change to your right hand and swap the hand gesture on your shoulder, elbow and wrist. So to do this, I'm going to go full sitting, okay, with little jumping in the beginning. 1, 2 and sit like this. I used first my right leg, then my left leg and sit like this. Jumping is a little hop, not a full jump, okay? Jump right, left, and I'm sitting using my toes like this. Just balance your entire body weight on your toes and sit like this. And my knees should be facing outward like this. Wipe your hands, Pal Venirum, and apply it on both the hands. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, jump, Pal Venirum. Next one. Initha Mudaya Edutha Por Padamum. This is describing about his leg. The left leg is raised up like this and you are pointing it out. I'm going to start from the previous position, sitting like this, and I'm going to use the superb hand gesture. You remember the one we used for the previous lyric? I'm going to use this hand gesture in my both the hands like this, one up and one down like this, and do Inithamudan with little nod in your head like this. Edutha Porpadam, rise up and tap your legs like tap, 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 tap. Final one, big tap, rise up your leg like this and point it out. So I'm going to show it down again. Inithamudan in full setting like this, rise up, tap, 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 tap. Final one, big tap, raise your left leg up like this and point it out. Knee should be bent like this and your toe should be pointed down. Make sure your entire body weight is balanced in another leg, and your left hand should be in freestyle like this. This is the final position. So it's like forging the entire scene, like from sitting Inithamudan, Edutha Porpadamum, like little built up. Raise your leg like this and show it down. Next one, Kanapetrar. Kanapetral Manida Piraviyum, Venduvade in the Manilathil. If you witness this, your life as a human being is blessed, is what this description is about. So to do this, I'm going to use my right hand, press my forefinger and thumb together like this and keep it near your right side eye and open it out. Now point out your index finger and look where you are pointing it out. Like this. And keep your left hand in freestyle like this. And I'm standing, keeping my right leg behind the left leg, placing it on the toe like this. Let's do it again. Come back to the first position. Keep your thumb and forefinger together. Kanapetrar. From inside, I'm opening it out. Manida Piraviyum. So to do this from center, I'm pointing it out my whole body and moving it backward. Okay? From top head to bottom. Okay? Then go to half sitting position like this. Then keep your left hand, open it out like this, facing, your palm should be facing upward. Keep all the fingers together like this, leave your thumb out and place it near your chest level like this. Your elbow should be straight and your palm should be facing up. With your right hand, again you are showing the blossom flower like this. Keep all the fingers together and open it out. Place it on top of your left hand like this. So the half sitting is, I'm standing and keeping both my legs, my feet in the sides. Keeping 2 or 3 fingers gap in between each leg. And I'm sitting as much as possible and the knees must be facing outward like this. So this is half sitting position in Bharatanatyam. Now place your hands in position and do Piraviyum. So from center position, I'm going to go backward like this to the half sitting position. So it is showing from top to bottom Manida Piraviyum. Next one is Venduvade. For this I'm using first 3 fingers, keeping it together in both my hands along with thumb placed together, and leave the little fingers out like this and bend your hand like this. It should be curved like this. Now place right hand in the front, left hand in the back and do Venduvade. In the point out this. So for this, I'm closing all the fingers together like this and bend my thumb inside. And keep this together. Both hands should be parallel to each other. And take a big circle. Spread out your hands in both the sides like this. And again end like this. Finish it with your previous hand gesture. That is, place first 3 fingers and thumb together, curved inside like this, and leave your little fingers out. And finish it like this. So it's காணப்பெற்றால் மனித பிறவியும் வேண்டுவதே இந்த மாநிலத்தே. It's a slow and big walk.
குனித்த உருவமும் கொவ்வை செவ்வாயில் குமிழ் சிரிப்பும் பனித்த செடையும் பவளம் போல் மேனியில் பால் வெண்ணீரும் இனித்தமுடன் எடுத்த பொற்பாதமும் காணப்பெற்றார் மனித பிறவியும்